Okay guys, this is Alex Transporter HD and welcome back. Today I'm back at Exeter St David's for another video on this Thursday afternoon, where you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and Crosscountry and South Western Railway. I almost forgot them. And you'll be seeing a freight as well from the Bungallow going to the Riverside. That freight never normally runs, but it's running today, so that'll be interesting to see what kind of freight that will be. Probably, I think it would be something to do with sand or something like that. But yeah, so yeah, it should be for an interesting video this afternoon, guys. So yeah, I'm going to be at Teignmouth tomorrow. I'm going to make a video at Teignmouth, I will be. So there's a few more videos that I'm going to be doing over the next few days before I go back to work on the 4th of September. So yeah, still plenty of videos to come. Obviously, once I'm back at work during the week, unfortunately my videos will get reduced because obviously I'm back at work. So yeah, but for the time being there will be plenty more videos to do. So yeah, with my next long trip, I'm hoping to try and get to Cheltenham and Gloucester, back to where I was born. I'm hoping to get there sometime in September. I know that I said that I was going to get to Oxford as well, so I'll try and get to Oxford sometime as well. So yeah, we'll come back in a couple of minutes with some trains. Okay guys, first train of the video. The Great Western Railway service to Exmouth coming in, formed of, it looks like two 150s together. It's from Paignton, obviously. Paignton to Exmouth service, the usual one. Good to see it's two 150s and not two Pacers. I suppose as the video goes on, we will see Pacers. It's 150-239 will now actually be at the back. And the 150-234 will now be at the front. Okay guys, we'll come back in a couple more minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back. As a partner is Great Western Railway service to Exmouth from Paignton for another double 150 Sprinter. Gotta love 150s, are much better trains than the Pacers are out today. Okay, that's the Exeter service, left on time as well. Got the Great Western Railway service to Penzance side coming in, formed of two IETs together, so that's 10 coaches long. Still in the progress of getting a camera stand, guys. Should get a camera stand probably sometime in September. Probably make my videos a bit more better, probably, I don't know, or a bit more professional, but it will save me holding my phone in my hand. 802006 at the front, and I'll catching up at the back as she goes out, so we'll come back then. Hey guys, back to partner is the Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. One of two IETs together, 802006 at the front, like I said. Catching up at the back as she's about to go out. Leaving on time as well, I believe. next stop Newton Abbot on the service. And 802010 at the back. Okay, well, it looks like we got a cross-country service coming in a few minutes time. Going to York, I think Anne said. So I'll come back with that train very shortly. I'm assuming that might be a cross-country HST perhaps then, if it's going to York. I will soon find out anyway, so we'll come back soon. Okay, coming in now is a cross-country service to Edinburgh. It's not going to York, it's going to Edinburgh, going all the way up to Edinburgh. Under a Voyager. T20025 on the train. Keep the camera on, guys. We've got a South Western Railway service coming in, going to London Waterloo. That's a 405 coaches, looks like. That's a bit different. I know the South Western Railway trains are literally 6 every time. Recently they seem to be 405 coaches. 159 is it 006 at the front. I thought it was an 8 there, so I just had to make sure. 006. I'm assuming that it'll be a 158 at the back now if it's 405 coaches, because I know the 158 South Western Railways are always 2 coaches. So yeah, we'll come back soon once these trains go out. Okay, back to part now. It's a cross-country service to Edinburgh from Plymouth, I believe. Departing on time as well.
Platform 3 for the 1528 Great Western Railway service to Barnstaple. Calling at
Barnstaple train coming in, guys. Found of 2 150s as well. Good to see a lot of 150s around. 150 246 at the front.
4 coaches. Yokeford, Coppleston, Morchard Road and Umberley are request stops and passengers for these stations.
15238 at the back of the Barnstaple train. Got the South Western Railway service now going out. .158 888 at the back.
Transport police on 61016. Wheel sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
Okay guys, well we should have a train coming in on platform 6 coming from Bristol to Meads going to Lara. I think that's on a test run train. Don't often get that. What is it? Ah, okay, it's a looks like a short set HST, Great Western HST coming in. Is he going through? I don't know if he can go through because the signal's red, so you might have to stop for a bit. He's actually coming in now, so I'll keep the camera rolling and see if the train comes up to here. I think he will. Yeah, this came from, like I said, from Bristol to Meads going to Lara on a test run. This train coming in onto platform 6 now. Bit of a rarity to see a train on a test run. Haven't had that in a while, so that's different. I think that freight train going to the Riverside is not too far away either, actually, I believe. So you gotta come further up. So you gotta come straight up. So you gotta come straight up. Please come straight up. Or is you just gotta stop there and I can't see it? Bugger. Ah, there you go. Just see him. 43155 at the front of it. So yeah, that will go off to Lara soon. Looks like he's going to be stopping here for a bit on platform 6. So yeah, I'll come back in a few seconds with any more trains. Actually no, we won't. We'll see the Barnstable train go out. Okay, I forgot to mention there's a Voyager over on platform 2 in the Bay platform. That will go off to Bristol Temple Meads within the next half an hour. I'll let you know on that one. Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes with any more trains. Hey guys, back to part now. It's that test HST run from Bristol Meads going to Lara. 43155 at the front. He says signal's green, so he should leave. Hurry up. Leave. I think he's about to leave now. Yes, no, is he going to leave? Should leave. Signal's green. Just making sure everything's alright then, I suppose, with the train before leaving. Right, leaving now, finally. Definitely a castle set, as you can see. Got the sliding doors on, green livery on. 43192 at the back. guys, we'll come back in a few more minutes with some old trains. Hey guys, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington on Penzance. $800 321 on the train. I want to keep the camera rolling, guys, as there should be a terminating service coming in from Cardiff Central. Should come in, yeah, should be a terminating service from Cardiff Central. We'll come back once she comes in. Okay, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central terminating here. The terminating service from Cardiff Central, like I said, it's the 158-766. Terminating here about 2-3 minutes late, so that's not bad going. You got the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington 15:39. You should depart in a minute or two, so we'll come back soon once she does. Hey guys, about to depart now. It's the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Should have a Crosscountry HST coming in shortly as well, onto platform 4. He's departing on time as well. Got the Vorge over there. Platform 2, will depart. I'll go within the next 15 minutes. That Vorge will. Should have a Crosscountry HST coming in. As well as keep the camera rolling. She should come in within the next minute or two. The barriers are still down, so I'm going to come back in a few seconds, guys. Hey guys, coming in now is a cross-country service to Plymouth. $221-141 on train. Well, when I looked at it, that's odd, guys, because when I looked at that service, I thought it was a cross-country HST. That's what it said. So, okay, we got the freight train now coming in as well from the Bungallow to the Riverside. This has got a DB red locomotive at the front. Good to see a DB red locomotive. $66,044 on the locomotive. Looks like this is China clay as well. Train a load of 1,200 tons. Might see that locomotive come back through later on in the video. It's meant to be a freighter around 6 o'clock as well. I don't know if that will run as well. That would be nice if that did, because that would be 2 freights in one video. That would be a rare sight for down here. But that cross-country service to Plymouth from platform forwards, it is about to leave, so I don't know if we'll get that on camera. So we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Hey guys, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth from Barnstaple. The 150-001 on the train. Okay, that 158 on platform 6, guys, is actually going to Plymouth now. Within the next 5 minutes. So I'll quickly go down and see that go out. And we'd have to quickly come up here to see that go out. So, see what we can do. So we'll come back now. Okay, part now, guys, is the Exmouth service of the 150-001 on the train. And you got a terminating South Western Railway service now coming in. That Exmouth service is on time, yeah, more or less on time. So we got another 5 coach South Western Railway coming in from London Waterloo, terminating here, like I said, like they always do. 158880 at the front, in the older South Western Railway livery, and the newer livery at the back, with the 159-011 at the back. Although that South Western Railway train has still got the old red seats in. We've got that Great Western Railway service to Plymouth back to the part as well. Great Western Railway service to Plymouth now leaving. Calling at Dawlish Warren, Dawlish, Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Ivy Bridge and Plymouth. Departing on time. So this has come from Cardiff and now going to Plymouth. Hey guys, got to quickly run back down to the other end of this platform and see that Voyager go off to Manchester Piccadilly now. So yeah, we'll come back soon with that train. Okay guys, back to part now over on platform 2, the Bay platform. There's a bit of a rare sight. We got a cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads. We have 221140 on the train. But I saw the train go out from platform 2, that was the furthest I can go, so yeah, might as well just see it from here. Now I've got to mention, guys, on my Sunday evening session on August the 25th, be hardly any cross-country services, so my Sunday evening session might be different on the 25th of August, so just to let you know. I think they're going to hire some of the LNER HSTs coming down here to make up for the cross-countries not being in service on that weekend, so yeah, I just thought I'd let you know on that one, guys. is actually this weekend, isn't it? So so this Sunday will be hardly any cross-country trains, so that will be different. I think they're going on industrial action, so I'll keep the camera rolling. So we got this South Western Railway service now going out. It'll go out down to the Exeter New Yard sidings, just down from the station there, and he'll come back for a service later to London Waterloo or the Fort. Nice tone there. We've got a few people waiting here on platform 5. Looks like it might be a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington coming in shortly. Okay then guys, we'll come back in a few more minutes with, well, you guessed it, some more trains. Okay guys, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. This one is from Penzance. Not sure if this is 9 coaches or 10 coaches, but also we'll soon find out. Looks like it's 9 coaches. Should have a service coming on to platform 6, guys. That is terminating here from Manchester Piccadilly, so that'll be a Voyager coming in shortly. (802.113) on the train. Okay guys, back to part now. It's a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Penzance. 802.113 on the train, like I said. This is departing on time as well. Most trains at the moment is on time, which is obviously good to see. I'll probably just jinxed it now, but never mind. Hey guys, coming in now is a terminating service from Manchester Piccadilly, terminating here on platform 6. It's a form of a Voyager. Is it a super Voyager or a normal 220 Voyager? (220.034), so obviously a normal Voyager. I like the way it says depot now on the train, because that is going to the depot. It's going to Lara depot, so yeah. Okay then guys, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. This one's only formed of 2 coaches, so that's a bit different. Let's hope it's not packed for passengers. There are not too many people waiting for this train, so that's alright. Formed of a 150. I'm surprised we haven't seen a pacer yet. My god. 150-221 on the train. There is a few people on the train, but not many people waiting here for the train, so that'd be alright with 2 coaches on that service. Okay, well that service to Exeter will depart at about 16:15. Oh, wow, that 150 was a bit squeaky. And this empty coach Voyager now from Manchester Piccadilly that terminated here, he'll go off to Lara at 4:15. So yeah, so we'll come back in a few seconds once they depart. And guys, about to depart now is an empty coach and stop Voyager going to Lara depot. Leaving about 2 minutes early as well, so that's good. There we got a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth over there. He should depart within the next minute or 2, so we'll come back soon once she goes out. Hey guys, back. Got the Great Western Railway service to Exmouth, about to depart over platform 1, departing on time. Should have a great... I was about to say until that bloody announcer interrupts me. We've actually been through this whole video without seeing a pacer. Now that's a first. So we'll get a last couple more trains on the video before calling it a day. We should have a Great Western Railway service coming in shortly, going to Penzance. I think it's Great Western Railway service to Penzance. Well, we got a service coming in going to Penzance anyway. Here's a Great Western Railway service to Penzance coming in. He's coming in now as well, so we'll keep the camera rolling. So yeah, this will be the last few trains on the video before calling it a day. Should have a cross-country service coming in shortly, going to Leeds, and that's a cross-country HST, so we'll definitely get that on camera. So we had a nice variety of trains today on this Thursday afternoon, so I'm pleased with my day's work again. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Well, that freight train that came through early in the video, unfortunately that locomotive probably won't come back through. And that freight that is meant to run come through here at about 5:30, that's got cancelled, so we won't be seeing 2 freights in one video, unfortunately, guys. Would have been nice, wouldn't it? That would have been a first as well. But we'll get, like I said, we'll get a few more trains on camera before calling it a day. So yeah, this has got 9 coaches, 802, 105 on the train. So we'll come back in a few seconds once she goes out. There you guys, about to depart now is the Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. He's departing about a minute or 2 late now. Obviously doesn't really matter. The cross-country service coming in shortly, going to Leeds, and that's got 7 coaches. That'll be a cross-country HST, so it won't be a bad way to end the video on a cross-country HST. Crosscountry HST coming in, Cirrus coming in now, guys, going to Leeds. Bloody hell, he's coming in fast. .43.285 at the front. .366 at the back. So we'll come back in a few seconds once she goes out. And we got that South Western Railway Cirrus Waterloo over there, but we'll see this cross-country Cirrus go out. Guys, about the last train of the video. Sorry about that, I must have pressed the button. I was showing you the floor there. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, my partner is a cross-country Cirrus to Leeds. Gonna end it with this HST. You can see where the HST stopped. They stopped here, and then the fucking IET stopped all the way down there. So quite a bit of a difference there. As that cross-country Cirrus goes out, I'll leave it here, guys. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Greatly appreciated as always. Very nice variety of trains on this Thursday afternoon, so I'm glad I came and filmed now. Yeah, from that cross-country HSG just left, from the Voyagers to the IETs to all the 150s, to the South Western Railway trains, and to that freight train in between. So yeah, very good variety of trains. And believe it or not, guys, for the first time ever, and me doing a video at St David's, we haven't seen a pacer. My god, what the hell is going on? So that's a first. So yeah, my next video will be at Timoth tomorrow. I'm gonna make a video at Timoth. So yeah, until then, from me here at Exeter St David's, guys, I'll see you all soon. Take care.